everyone, this is Bernie, your Revit blaster here at Printerstein Incorporated, bringing you the TNT for Revit users. This video is about transferring project standards, In this project, I brought in a family of a fence, and I don't see the material of the fence. When I go to the family itself, I see the material of the fence. So how do I get this to work out in my project? Well, I'm going to go to the Manage tab, and I'm going to go to the Transfer Project Standards button on the Settings panel. When that comes up, I'm going to check None and scroll down to Materials. I only want the material. I'm going to select OK. When it asks me, do I want to overwrite or new only, I'm going to overwrite because what I have in my project I don't like, and I want it to overwrite the material in the project. And boom, there it is. So that's a nice feature in Revit. Use it as best you can, and have a great day.